Hey viewers, what's up? Today I come with a new topic. Our today's topic is about how to lose belly fat naturally in 1 week. Do you want to lose 10 pounds in 1 week? If your answer is yes, then I will suggest you to watch our video till the last to know how you can lose 10 pounds in a week. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Turmeric tea can lose 10 pounds in just 1 week. By turmeric tea recipe, you can safely lose weight and get flat stomach you have always desired. The tea will help you lose up to 10 pounds in just a week and due to the powerful anti-inflammatory properties. A natural anti-inflammatory and natural painkiller, people love this turmeric tea as it tastes like tea and they use it as a great replacement for coffee and black tea. With many additional health benefits, this turmeric tea is an absolute must-have for your medicine cupboard. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of the turmeric tea. Besides its slimming powers, turmeric tea also offers the following health benefits. Prevents cardiovascular disease. It is recommended for people who have a pacemaker or have had bypass surgeries. Consuming turmeric root can regulate blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. It can prevent neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's. Ingredients: 3 heaped teaspoons turmeric powder, 1 heaped teaspoons ground cloves, 2 teaspoons ground cardamom, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1.5 liters of 3.5 pints of filtered water, raw honey or stevia to sweeten taste, and nut milk optional. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your turmeric tea. Thank you.